Assalamu alaikum students, my name is Sama Noreen and today we are going to start the series of name reactions to study. Name reactions are those in which the name of the reaction is assigned at the name of their discoverer. That's why they are called name reactions. In this video we are concerned with Canizaro's reaction. We are going to study here what is Canizaro's reaction, its mechanism, and at the end we have some example for your brainstorming. So stay connected to the end of the video. What is Cannizzaro reaction? Cannizzaro reaction, named after its discoverer, Stanislaw Cannizzaro, is a chemical reaction in which non-enolizable aldehyde converts to primary alcohol and carboxylic acid under basic conditions. Now, what is non-enolizable? Non-enolizable mean that carbonyl compound which have no alpha hydrogen that could be enolized. That's mean the presence of alpha hydrogen under the basic condition may convert the carbonyl compound into enolate. So the carbonyl compound having alpha hydrogens can't take part in Cannizzaro reaction. So simply we can say the aldehydes having no alpha hydrogens under basic conditions would convert to primary alcohol and carboxylic acid. This is the general Cannizzaro reaction. Here you can see the benzaldehyde, which have no alpha hydrogen, alpha from the carbonyl carbon. Alpha hydrogens are those if if hydrogen would be present, this compound can't take part in Cannizzaro reaction. So here is no alpha hydrogen in this compound. Would convert through going through intermediate into primary alcohol and carboxylic acid. These are some examples of Cannizzaro reaction. First example is from benzaldehyde. Under basic condition, sodium hydroxide convert to benzyl alcohol and sodium benzoate. That is the salt of the acid. And second example is formaldehyde convert to methanol and sodium formate. And the third one is a compound which have no alpha hydrogen would also convert to the corresponding alcohol and acid. You can notice in all of these three equations that the number of carbon atom in the starting material is the same as the number of carbon atom in the products. So this would be keep in mind. Here we have a mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction. In the first step, base would attack on carbonyl carbon and convert it into a tetrahedral intermediate. This tetrahedral intermediate may further proceed in the mechanism as such, or maybe first convert into the this moiety. Both of these compounds can go further. So we have these two ways with both of these compounds. Now the shifting of electron from oxygen and from here the hydride will be removed, hydrogen atom in the form of hydride. Hydride is a strong nucleophile which would attack on the carbonyl carbon and convert it into the alk oxide, and the other compound would be the acid. This alk oxide on workup would convert to the alcohol. Again, similar mechanism with a slight change. Here you can see the shifting of electron would convert and the attacking by hydride on the carbonyl carbon, we have uh, carboxylate and alkoxide ion. Both of these on water workup would convert to the corresponding final products, that is alcohol and acid, or the salt of the acid. This is the simple mechanism of the Cannizzaro reaction. Now here we have some examples. In this, you have to write Cannizzaro reaction of both of these compounds if possible. If any of this is not considered to give Cannizzaro reaction, you have to give a reason of that. This is the benzophenone, and this is the benzophenone, and this one is benzaldehyde. Which one would perform Cannizzaro reaction? There is two compounds, and you have to choose which one would undergo the Cannizzaro reaction. I hope this video will help you in understanding Cannizzaro reaction. Thanks for watching.